dito sa laban na to. They find their rhythm pero they lose it quickly once Adamson tightens up their defense. They're down by 6 itong FEU. 16-10 here in set number 2 and they're down 1-0 and Pineda
Ito na naman,
joins. Oh, nanahimik siya no first part ng set 2, ano? After doing a lot of work in set number 1, medyo naglaylo siya and then he's back again.
Pineda is one of those players, Eric, that every time she goes up, she always wants to get to hit it really, really strong because tama yung sinasabi natin, she has the hang time, but she also has a degree of control put in every shot. Kita mo naman yun, medyo malayo siya sa block, just enough topspin and got it across. Pineda, one of those smart players, of course, in the mold of Angela Benting, yung mga seniors niya before, who's part of the coaching staff right now of Adamson.
Pineda, Pineda naman, ano? Talagang gigil na gigil. Easy over ng FEU. Guevara. Palma the dump. Good pickup by Zapanta. Here comes Pineda. Soft touch. Vargas repositions herself. Makatuno to Pineda again. That's the money maker right there.
Nako, dikit yan. Kay Giselle.
Napatas ng konti. So free ball para sa FEU. Sinigaw ni Giselle C. Kay Bagang yung bola. Long rally. Set number 2. Bagang. Oh, what a finish.
Both teams defending very, very well. And suddenly, they give it in the middle na kanina pa nila hindi ginagawa, no? And ayun, nagulat ang depensa ng FEU.
Timeout by Coach Nes Pamilar. Pakinggan ulit natin ang FEU and their huddle.
Hindi natin ma-convert sa puntos. Chance ball nga sa bibigay sa atin, chance ball din natin ibabalik sa kalaban. Kailan natin kanina pa yan, kailan natin may convert sa puntos yung chance ball na binibigay sa atin? Ha? Hindi kayo iniisip ginagawa niya? Ano dapat puntos na natin? Wala, yung madala-dala yung
A heavy tone of regret sa boses ni Coach Pamilar, no? Chance ball na nga nakuha natin. Kumbaga, at the point is almost ours, pero binalik din natin yung opportunity for them to score.
Very true, Eric. Alam mo, pag sinabi kasi na chance ball, that gives everyone, not only dun sa receiving end, but also the setter and the attackers to set up a play na pinapractice nyo, the drills, no? Yung mga sinusulat nyo support and all of that. So, pagka ganun, almost guaranteed na maganda yung play at makaka-point ko. Pero ang nangyari nga, sabi ni Coach Nes, chance ball ang binigay sa atin, chance ball din natin ibinabalik. So, bali wala.
And they fail to receive kanina, ace para sa Adamson, pero they commit a service error on the other side. Pero the damage has been done. Malaki na naman ang hahabulin ngayon ng FEU. They're down by 7, 12 serving 19 in set number 2.
Michelle Bagang.
Great setting, by the way. We failed to highlight that. Great setting by Makatuno.
Yeah.
No? She's not a flashy setter, pero she's great at distributing the ball.
Efficient, very efficient.
C to Palma. That's out.
Wow, what a good read there by Dimano.
Oh, for Adamson, ano? She let that ball go. Kinlog. Right now for FEU, they can't just keep on trading points with Adamson. I mean, I hate to state the obvious, pero they're down by 7. They need a huge, long stop if they want to extend this match, you know?
Good block there.
Solid block by Palma on Soriano. This may be the start of a good rally para sa FEU, and Vargas, smart move.
Hitting it off speed, avoiding the block. And kanina pa kasi si Vargas palo ng malakas, but she's been dug up, blocked, rejected, deflected, but this time she went for the drop, and that was the time that she finally got a point.
FEU showing more variety sa kanilang opensa and yung depensa ni Palma. Solid!
Oh, this
Twice
time.
blocked Soriano. How often do you see that? Back to back, ano?
Back-to-back blocks, and Palma, give credit to Palma, went up for the second time. That was the first. Oh, that was the second, and that earned them the point.
But you can't really deny Tottenham.
See, Makatuno, even though Pau got blocked twice in the previous play, still went to her after that exchange.
Villanueva checks in for Cortel.
May Makatuno now serving for Adamson University.
21 serving 15. Poor reception by Bagang. Agno had to set it up, so Rojas couldn't hit it above the net. C to Rojas.
Pau
With the left hand. Ambidextrous pa to si Pau Soriano. Great coverage by Listana para sa Adamson. There's Villanueva. First touch for her in this match. Vargas. Kitang-kita sa talon pa lang. Kitang kapusyon.
She's not in her element today, Eric. You know that normally she'd go up for the strong hit. This time, the Adamson's defense saw it a mile away that she was going for the drop. Ang mas masakit pa doon, napakahina ng drop. Hindi man lang nag-cross or hindi umabot sa net.
This is coming off 14 points against LaSalle. Vargas really has a lot of catching up to do.
Nice.
Vargas. Blocked again. Vargas. Villanueva will set it up. Zapanta to Agno. Rojas. On the other side gets it.
Rojas.
The change-up coming from Giselle. Almost exclusively going to Vargas prior to that last set.
And that's how
To
difficult
Ross.
a setter's job is, ano? And you were a setter before, Doc Ian, ano na? In the midst of all the chaos, kailangan mo humanap ng perfect setter, I'm sorry, perfect set and perfect hitter, ano?
Yung timing, napaka-importante. You have to have a good court recognition, not only on your court, but also on the other side, more importantly, to see where the blockers are at. Short serve, again, these errors for FEU are just doing them in set number 2.
Pito pa rin ang hinahabol nila dito. And Pau Soriano serving for Adamson. Ito na naman, a chance ball binigay nila off a serve by Adamson.
Uy, floater. Mishit by Zapanta.
Adamson make that FEU got lucky there.
Yeah.
That would have been set point.
Sorry. Vargas now serving for FEU.
Vargas with a good serve. Received. Oh!
That could have been out.
Palabas na eh. Palabas na. The ball was on its way out. Obviously, it didn't have any stop spin on it. Pero si Vargas even had to raise up her her dig, no?
Tumagilid pa siya.
Oh, at saka sa taas niya kinuha. Above her shoulders pa nga eh.
So set point para sa Adamson.
Villanueva, or is it Guevara, called for a crossing violation.
Net violation.
And FEU getting a point back.
Pero they're really they've got their backs against the wall here.
Yeah.
Bearing any miracle for FEU, and this is going to be a set for Adamson in the bag already. Oh, nice pancake save by Makatuno. Can you believe that? They go to Pineda. Good dig by Vargas. Here comes Bagang. Underneath the ball. Makatuno underhand set. Pineda.
Grave.
Ooh, that's on the line. Amazing defense and offense para sa Adamson, ano?
Again, that pancake dig by Makatuno, keeping the ball in play. And it ended up in the hands of who else? Pineda for that outside hit. hitting it on the line.
Identical ending. Set number 1 and set number 2, 25-18 as Adamson puts 2 sets in the bag. FEU will have a tough third set ahead of them when we come back dito sa Studio 23.